Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters in Christ. I am Jupre Ventures and I'm an ex-seminarian. I get to know the PSDP religious priests and brothers because they stayed in our parish in Holy Infant Parish while the Nazareth Mission House was still under construction. I get to know Father Gilson Bertamuni and Brother Olin Tubet when I was around 11 years old. My significant experience as an ex-seminarian are: first, I get to live the life of a community where I was able to meet different people with different cultures and language. Second, I was able to go to the Mother House in Italy where I was able to see the life of St. John Calabria and Brother Francisco Perez. My invitation for me as a member of a Calabrian family are to be able to spread the spirituality of St. John Calabria, even in some people that I meet, even in ordinary conversation. Second, to spread that the God the Father is a divine provider who provides for our needs even when we don't deserve it and even when we don't ask for it. And I would like to thank the Nazareth Mission House for giving me this opportunity to give testimony. Thank you.